Hello, grade one. How are you all? I hope you're all staying safe and you're taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to the fourth session in our math course. Today, we're going to talk about a lesson similar to the lesson that we discussed in the previous session, but we're just going to learn another image of it. The lesson is about how to read and make bar graphs. Let's take a look on how does the bar graph look like. Okay, this is the bar graph. This is the bar graph. The bar graph is the same as the picture graph that we talked about previously, as I said, in which it shows collected data to provide information regarding a certain topic. Again, the bar graph in front of you shows collected data. This is the data, the art tools, okay, and the number of children who chose each of the art tools to provide information regarding a certain topic. The topic is about the art tools, okay? Now, let's learn together how to answer questions related to the bar graph, okay? The bar graph is about, as I said, art tools, 3 types of art tools, and the number of children who chose each of the art tools, okay? Let's learn how can we answer questions related to the bar graph. Let's start by question number 1. How many children chose the paint brushes? Okay, this is the picture of the paint brushes. Now we can count, or we can have a look on where does the bar end, at which number? At 6. See, the blue bar ends at 6. So 6 children chose the paint brushes. Okay, 6 children chose the paint brushes. This is question number 1. Question number 2, how many children chose crayons? We will look on the graph, or on the bar, and we will see where does it end. It ends at number 2. Okay, so how many children chose crayons? 2 children. Okay, this is question number 2. Question number 3, how many more children? Take care of how many more, the word many more. Children chose paint brushes than crayons. When we see the words many more, as I said previously, we are going to subtract. We will subtract the number of children who chose the paint brushes from the number of children who chose the crayons. How many children chose the paint brushes? 6. So we're going to write 6. How many children chose crayons? 2, as we said. So 6 minus 2. We are going to count from the small number to the bigger number. So the answer is 4 more children. This is question number 3. Question number 4, which art tool did the fewest children chose? Which one of these art tools did the fewest? Fewest means the least number, the smallest number of children choose. Is it the markers? 5 children chose the markers, and 6 children chose the paint brushes, and 2 only chose the crayons. So the answer is obviously 2, crayons. Why? Because only 2 children chose crayons. But look at the paint brushes. How many children? 6. Okay. And the markers, 5. So, of course, the children who chose the paint brushes, the number of children who chose the paint brushes is more than the number of children who chose crayons. And also the number of children who chose the markers is more than the number of children who chose the crayons, okay? Now let's move on to question number 5. Which art tool did the most? Now take care of the word most. It's the opposite of fewest. Okay, most, that means the biggest number, okay, of children who chose. the paint brushes, okay? Who chose the art tools. So let's have a look. As we said that 5 children chose markers and 6 chose the paint brushes. And how many chose the crayons? Only 2. So which of these numbers is the largest? Is it 6 children or 5 who chose the markers, or 2? Of course, the biggest number is the number of children who chose the paint brushes, because look, where does the bar end? It ends at number 6. The biggest number in the bar graph is 6. So the number of children, the most number of children who chose the art tools is 6. The children who chose the paint brushes. Okay, so the answer is paint brushes. We are going to circle the paint brush right here. Okay, let's have a look on this.